Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
Benin is a Yoruba land. Benin is a Yoruba land. Only una carry Lagos one. I want to go carry the small Benin where we get to our hand again. How is it a Yoruba land? I see that many of you did not even study history in school. Benin was like a country on its own as a then in West Africa before the British came. The Benin Empire was well structured. It was a kingdom on its own. Like it was like a country on its own. It was a region on its own. Oh God, this education. Let's go to the what makes you people feel Benin is part of Yoruba land is Oduduwa. Oduduwa is a Benin son. Is Odua. It was an exiled son who got to a place and he saw people were living there. He was like, and your gods already said somebody was coming from nowhere. How can you just say Oduduwa came from Egypt or say it came from Mecca? It came from Benin. Now Benin it come from. You will change his name from Oduduwa to Oduduwa. Fine. After some years, that was the end of the Ogiso dynasty because his father was an Ogiso. That was the end of Ogiso dynasty. After so many years, the Benin kingdom did not have any king because that exiled son was the only son of the king as at then. The king did not have any male son. And you know Benin, it is hereditary. The father gives to the son like that. So they stayed for many years, only for them to find out that their son, who was supposed to be exiled, is in one place. Is in Ife. Okay, I want to ask you Yoruba people one question. So the Benin chiefs went to Ife to look for Oduduwa, the one you call Izoduwa, the one you people call Oduduwa. They went to look for him. When they got there, which language did they speak to him? They spoke Benin to him and told him, please come back home. He said he cannot come back home because he was not like Osuna. If they pursue you, come out, you know if he come back house. He couldn't come back. He said he's already a king here. He cannot be king in two places. They begged him, you are our son. Come back, come back. He said he's not coming back. Okay, if Oduduwa did not hear Benin, which language did they not speak to Oduduwa? That made him give them king. So Oduduwa now asked his children. None of his children, they said they were not going because they don't understand the language. Papa, I don't understand the language. I don't feel go be king for your place. He now said, okay, let him check his grandchildren. Oromia, his grandson, decided to follow them to Benin. Oromia could not even stay for long because he does not understand the language. Although he had a wife, he gave birth to Obaeweka. So I know where our Oduduwa is coming from. Our Izoduwa is your Oduduwa. Your own Oduduwa, where is it coming from? It's a language. Let's discuss like adults. How can you live Osun? You live Ekiti. You live Ondo. You live Ibadan. You live Ogun. You are fighting for Lagos. The states I just mentioned, they all have Yoruba names. Ogun, Osun, Ekiti, Ibadan, Ogun. And you are fighting for Lagos that has a Portuguese name. The second name, Eko, is a Benin name. You are fighting for it, calling it a Yoruba land. Nobody is dragging the land with anybody. But the only thing I don't like about all these things you guys are doing, some of you, let me use some. Yesterday, I said many Yoruba people are not educated. And many of you came for me saying, I said many. I didn't say all of you. I said many. And you all showed it on my comment section. Even me, when I was explaining that I am not Igbo. Some were still telling me to go back to Enugu. Some were saying go back to Anambra. Some were saying, why are you in Lagos? I'm not in Lagos. I told you clearly that I cannot stay in Lagos. You see why I say many of you are not intelligent. Not all of you. And the sensible ones, very few. Very few. We're like, don't mind them. I don't know what is happening. Because this notion in Nigeria that Yoruba people are the well-educated ones, that one is a lie. Oh. It's a lie. Because if you people are educated, you know that when a Yoruba man marries an Igbo woman, the son becomes a Yoruba son. But no, the case of Jarovi is not like that. Because his mother is Igbo, you are calling him Igbo boy. That shows how intelligent you people are. That shows how you people are not that intelligent, the way you people claim to be intelligent. Because if you are intelligent, you're supposed to know that that boy is a Yoruba boy. That aside, that not concerned. Now, like when I no. Now they suffer and smiling, not be me. I'm not there. So now I go feel the pains, not be me. Then this page is for discussion, politics. It's not for, if you cannot make your points, then leave, don't comment. Because the federal government of Nigeria has so much marginalized the south and the southeast, where the income is coming from. Nigeria is Nigeria today now because of the south and the southeast. Now there the crude oil day. Now there for the get money, so they enrich their pocket, their family and friends. And they leave this side to suffer. If you are traveling from Asaba has a very big airport, Enugu has a very big airport, Benin, none of them is international. And these airports are international standard. The governors have done a lot. They have pressed for seaport. They have done everything, but the federal government never approves. Not of you saying it is the governors. Now that one make me to say you're about to know. Some of them are not get sense. Which governor? Governor don't do their own part. They don't press. Who go sign them last? Do you know how many governors in my state have signed for seaport? No one is approved. None. You heard me. None has been approved since how many years? Oshomole campaign with Gelegele seaport. It not approved. Even Basaki came the same thing, not approved. Because why? The federal government they roll out. They don't want it because of that monopoly given to Lagos. They want us to be smiling, to be laughing. Then you as a Yoruba man or a Fulani man or an Hausa man is supposed to even support this region to see that these things work. Because if Lagos is decentralized, you yourself as a Lagosian, you have a good job. You live in a good house. That crowd don't go there again. Everybody go they live well. But no, you people are self-centered because hey, Emilokon. Yes, now me. And we suppose to lose these people. See, if you shop for southeast, you go shop for una also. Everybody will be living well. I don't know if you're saying that can you go to Enugu? There is a Yoruba woman in Enugu near Airtel office for Enugu. She has a very big restaurant. Many people for the shop. If you go to my state, we have Yoruba street in my state. We have my tenants, my longest tenants are Yoruba man from Ondo State. Yorubas are everywhere. If you never come up for house, not to say Yoruba not they travel. Yoruba people are everywhere. If you now start this thing, it will affect everybody. So wanna take time. Wanna they use na agbari. These people are doing so. Stop it. Leave Lagos now. Lagos is a Portuguese name, means lake. Go and fight for Ogun State. Go and fight for Ibadan. Go and fight for Osun. Not be say they fight. They not fight. They be village. Go and fight for your village and stop dragging Lagos. Stop dragging Lagos.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.